You're probably wondering why there's a knob at the bottom or the top of your shower head. Well, that's if you want to conserve hot water. If your coach is not equipped with continuous hot water and you have a 6-gallon tank or a 10-gallon tank and you want to take a shower that's more than a few minutes, this is one way to stop the water flow from coming through your shower head while you're soaping up. This is a really convenient way for you to conserve water and not run out of hot water during the shower. Very easy to operate. Have your shower water on. When you're ready to soap up, push the valve. It'll stop the water flow instead of you reaching down and turning off the faucet. Once you're ready to rinse off, just go ahead, put it back on, then your water flow continues.